Alright, so we've just finished giving generators to all the images, but before I process, I want to talk more about uh, searching within the entry screen and within the program. And I go up here to Edit, Find, and I do the Find, Remove, Replace Generators. Now in this way I can go through and, for instance, these searches are on generators. They're not on the associated keywords. So I can now find all the images with medicine, which is on the one. Do it again. Let's say I do bomb, and I do find, and that shows me the 15 with bomb. Now remember here, this is also helpful. I said bomb, I think I should have put in a different word. I want to put ointment instead of balm. So I choose replace here. And it says, are you sure you want to do this? And I say yes, replace. And it'll go through and change balm to ointment. Be aware that that's a kind of dangerous thing to do, because once you say yes, it's going to go off and change everything. So you want to make sure you're in the right set of images. And that's helpful for here. For instance, say I didn't want to change this image. I want to go up here and I can omit it from the group. So now there's only 14. So I can kind of narrow down the subset of images whose generators I want to change. Now another thing that we want to look at is that when I go here, I'm clicking here. Another shortcut is if I go shortcut is to go find all images with highlighted generator, which is Command R. So if I do that, the program automatically looks for all the alternative medicine images here, and I'll show you a different one. Another helpful thing here, again, omit this, show omitted, show all images. If I've done a search and I want to get out of my search and see everything, then I want to say see all. Now if I go here, see, let's say, okay, I want to see all the ones with wedding dresses. I just go Command R, and it shows me everything. If I want to go, and then I want to go actually, to show all images. So that's very helpful. Now the other editing, the other find here is the advanced search. In this is we give you all of the file names in the program, so I can just search for just that file name, and I can search for a range of files. In the caption, I can choose for different captions. And I can also, well, in the individual program, you cannot choose different photographers because only your name will come up. So I go and find, and that's going to find that first one right there. And then again, I can go to show all images. Now finally, before we process, I'll just show you some of the other items in the menu. One of these, we've looked at all of these, but delete. You can delete all the images once you've processed, or at any point. You can find a set and then delete them, or you can just delete the one image. If you delete it, all the keywords, all the generators will be gone, the keywords and the image. So be aware of that. But basically we've put into file all the important events that happen. So we import images, then we process them, then we export them, then we archive them. And here's another way to get to preferences. And then in the edit, you can do some spelling, and then the find. In image, you can alter the generators for the images, and go to is for navigation.